Prime factors. To understand what prime factors are, let us go back to the meaning of prime numbers. Now, what prime numbers are numbers that have just two factors. And these factors are 1 and itself. That is, we say prime numbers are numbers with only two factors. 1 and itself. When you have any number that can only be divided by 1 and itself in such a way that it will not have any remainder, then that kind of number is called a prime number. And examples of prime numbers are as follows. Examples of prime numbers. They include numbers such as 2, numbers like 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. These numbers written here can only be divided by 1 and themselves without a remainder. Now that we know what prime numbers are, then what are prime factors? Now, to define prime factors, let us go back to our knowledge on factors. We learnt about factors by saying numbers that divide a whole number without a remainder. And we talked about factors of numbers such as 30. For example, when we talked about factors of 30, we saw numbers such as 1 as a factor of 30, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and so on. These are factors of 30. Now, when you consider the factors of a certain number and you find a prime number in there, then you're talking about prime factors. For example, we can see the number 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. These numbers are factors of 30, but at the same time, they are prime numbers. Therefore, a prime factor is a factor of a number that is also a prime number. So let's put that down. Prime factor. This is a factor of a given number which is a prime number. So that is when you find prime numbers within a set of factors of a given whole number. Those kind of factors are known as prime factors. Thank you.